And
the exhaust is going to clean right up.
Listen to this guy. He has all the answers. I can handle that. I can handle that.
I got it.
That will come off. This is Gearhead is rocking my new merch. And you also own a FoxBody. So I'm just seeing the car for the first time. That top is sick. Oh my goodness. Hey everyone, this is Matt, and before we get into the main point of today's video, I do want to give you an update on something real quick. As you probably know, Mustang Week has been canceled and I was planning on heading there. In fact, that's the whole reason the car is getting detailed in this video. But since it was canceled, what myself and a couple other YouTubers are doing is setting up some events here local to the Charlotte area where I'm at. And one of those events is going to actually be on Friday at the Mustang Owners Museum. We're working with Fox Mustang Restoration, who you guys should know very well from my channel, as well as the museum. And there's going to be an event there from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Friday. So if you're seeing this on Wednesday when this video comes out, 2 days later. Also, another thing that we are doing is we're going to Mooresville Dragway on Thursday night. That's where I usually go drag race my Tarheel Fox. And so the other YouTubers joining me for everything, in fact, and they helped plan this entire event as well, is a Speed Addict 731. He has an awesome GT500 that's been modded. It's 2012. Also Pony 1992. And he's the guy that actually helped me get this SSP here that isn't making a lot of progress, but actually it is. I do have a video coming on that. But anyway, we would like you guys to come out if you're in the local Charlotte area as well. This is called Stampede After the Storm. All the details of the event are on my Instagram, but I will also put them down in the description below so you can check that out. But basically, it's the Friday 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. at the Mustang Owners Museum, and then Saturday 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. the event is being put on by Fox Mustang Restoration. And I believe that one is actually going to be at their headquarters. But again, that will be all in the description below, as well as my Instagram. So definitely follow me on Instagram if you're not already. But yeah, Speed Addict's going to be there for sure, Pony 1992, and maybe some other folks as well might be coming in. So stay tuned to my Instagram for updates on that as far as who's going to be there. But I'd love you guys to come out to one of those 3 events, or all of them if you can. The Thursday night at Mooresville Dragway, Friday at the Mustang Owners Museum 10 to 5, or Saturday at Fox Mustang Restoration 10 to 5. So yeah, just want to throw that quick update in for you there, and now let's go ahead and get back to the regular video. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and I am in my 89 Mustang GT Cobra clone, aka Tarheel Fox, and we are headed to get my car detailed by the Ace Detail Pro. I'm getting ready to go to Mustang Week, and I just recently drag raced the car. You may have seen that video. I actually got my fastest time. But yeah, I just got done drag racing the car, and it is absolutely filthy, guys. It is really dirty. So I need to get it ready for Mustang Week. It is going to be in the show, so I want it to look a lot better, obviously. But anyway, the car is going to be in the show at Mustang Week, so I want it to look a lot better. Super dirty from the drag racing, just dirty in general from all the work I've done to it lately in the shop. And this is the worst it's ever looked since the paint job. So I'm going to fill you guys in on kind of all the tough spots, but we're going to go ahead and get there, and I'll introduce you to Ace Detail Pro. He does an awesome job. His name's Ian. There is the man. What up, big I was just talking about you. Me? Oh. Yeah. How's it going, Ian? Good to see you. So I'm bringing you a lot of problems. I should probably pop the hood too. Change the intake manifold, actually. Not the, I don't know if the underhood's not that dirty anyway. It looks a lot better. I lost a little power, but the other one didn't have a PCV valve system. So I think I'm not burning the oil anymore. Awesome. Looks super clean. Looks real good. Yeah. It's not bad at all.
Oh, I can make a difference in this engine bay for sure.
Really? He can do it all, folks. He can do it all.
Totally different.
Awesome. You can see I do have XPEL on parts of the car. Yes. So like right there, so everything down here, the bumper's all covered. There's, you can feel the edge right there. Sounds good. This is the dirtiest it's ever been.
It's going to be the cleanest it's ever been.
Let's see. I think the XPEL is also maybe here and below or here and below. I can't remember. I know it's definitely not above here. Yeah. So that way the whole way back. Okay.
It's wrapped in. Now we have some drag strip.
Yes, yes. Now, somebody at one point had something, because there's XBell underneath here, they were able to just squirt it and wipe it right off. So I don't think it'll give you the same trouble as like a normal, but maybe it will. I don't know.
All right, sounds good to me.
Yep, and then you can see the other line here.
Got
The
it.
back of the bumper.
No problemo.
I don't know if you can do anything with this. So I was running rich. That's another reason I changed out the intake manifold. So while I was doing that, I was shooting black smoke.
That'll
And
come off and the exhaust is going to clean right up.
listen to this guy. He has all the answers.
I know what I'm
I can handle
doing.
that. I can handle that.
I got it. No worries. I wouldn't touch your car if I didn't.
And you also own a FoxBody, so that's why, and a convertible too. So I feeling pretty comfortable, guys, with this guy here. So
Yes, we're going to make it look good.
cool. Let
It
me
already
see.
looks good. We're going to just polish it.
Yep. Oh, and the wheels are new. New
Yes, I
wheels.
saw that on Instagram.
Did you?
Love 'em,
Cool,
love 'em,
cool.
love 'em.
So and yeah, the tires. I tried to break them in last
Is this
night.
a Mopar thing?
I don't know what that. Yeah.
Because I feel like the Mopar guys with the yellow on their front splitters would kind of do this to their tires. That's what I'm saying. I'm not
Well,
hating
you
on
know,
Mopar.
in the front, it's blue. So I don't know. These came like that. I don't know what that
Alright,
deal
we're
is.
gonna put some yellow corner markers on here.
Yeah, really.
We're gonna put some yellow here. And
Oh yeah, that'll be awesome. Do not follow Ace Detail. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, it's gonna look fantastic.
Cool. So I think that's kind of it. I mean, obviously it's pretty dirty. Oh, the top.
Clean the glass, clean the top.
That will come off.
Of course it will.
It's not. I don't know what it is, but I messed with water on it and it came right off. So.
Do we have any water leaks?
Yes.
All right, because I'll find them if we didn't.
Yeah, they're not terrible. The problem is the windows.
Aren't safe.
Yeah, basically this rubber I got from it's too tough, so it doesn't seal. I need to get the OEM stuff. Fox Mustang Restoration hat.
I have the Fox Resto stuff.
Do you?
I haven't put it on yet, but I have it.
Okay.
It's real supple.
Yeah, it's a lot better than this stuff.
I actually got it from Foxtober last year.
Oh, really?
So it worked out perfect.
Okay. You going this year, I'm sure, right? Yeah. Because my boys love your Stormtrooper out there. You gonna bring the Stormtroopers? That's still the thing?
Mustang Week. Yeah,
It's going to Mustang Week?
Stormtrooper should be there. Yes, the figurine. I may bring Vader. I don't know if I had Vader last year.
No,
but
you
I might
didn't.
bring Vader.
You got to bring Vader. All
Yeah,
right.
do it.
We love that.
Yes, sir. All right.
So yeah,
we're
I think
good.
that's it.
It's going to get a nice layer of sealant on the paint.
Okay. Yeah, and it's never been waxed actually, but the paint's been on there now for like 4 months or 5 months. It's been a while. So
It is ready.
this I got to fix this door too. Just FYI, it's not quite shutting all the way.
Why? Because it's a convertible.
No, it did. It worked before. Something happened to repaint. I don't know. It's a striker or something. I'll figure it out.
Probably just an adjustment.
Yeah. So just a heads up.
No worries.
All right. Well, I'm gonna leave it with you, and then
There's a gap right here at this window. Oh, yeah.
yeah. I mean, if you get a little bit of water inside, it's fine.
I'm going to put the foam on it. So, yeah, mine's a lot worse.
Yeah. By the way, Mrs. Gearhead is rocking my new merch. Do you see the back?
I did not see the back.
See what it says?
It's not just a Mustang. It's a Fox.
That's right. See, we're our own culture. There you go.
Absolutely.
Gotta have her rock the merch for me. So cool.
Cool. Yeah, so we're good to go.
All right. Well, I'm
Stoked.
awesome. I'm gonna leave it in your hands, and then we'll check your work. And if it's bad, you know, we'll shout it out. Especially if you do the yellow marks. Yeah. Nah. What am I saying? You do an awesome job. So yeah.
Yeah, I can't wait. It's going to be good.
Cool.
Super.
Check up with you in a little bit. Thanks, buddy.
No problem. It's a pleasure. Thank you.
Guys, I'm just seeing the car for the first time. It has never looked like this. I'm not ready. Where's my blue and yellow dots? They're gone.
I took them off. Couldn't stand them.
Wow, look at that shine, man. This is amazing.
Yeah, paint looks saturated. It looks soaking wet.
Yeah, it looks like it was just sprayed, man.
And it's not even ceramic coated.
No?
Nope, that's just the spray sealant that I put on.
Okay. Oh, look at this. This top has not looked like this since it was brand new, dude. That top is sick. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
The exhaust issue, you said you were running a little rich.
Yeah.
Both exhaust tips are clean, polished. The bumper has no traces.
Oh, it doesn't. No. Very cool.
I didn't go crazy in the trunk. I gave it a quick perimeter wipe down.
Okay.
Your floor mats are in the trunk.
All right.
Um,
I might keep them there until Mustang Week. Just to put it
Need
over,
some
right?
Floor mats, I think.
Yeah. The interior, the carpet's coming up a little bit, as you probably saw.
I did.
Yeah.
So the tires are super glossed. Rims are cleaned.
Yeah. The
And
rims
then
look great.
Interior.
Okay.
the seats are.
Oh, dude, you got some of the black marks off, which is hard.
4 shades lighter than they.
Yeah. Wow. I didn't think any of that was going to come off, to be honest. Oh, it smells so good, man. Smells good. Dude, it's like... You sure this is my car?
Look how clean the door panels are. Even
And look at those.
The door panels came out a lot
Yeah.
lighter.
Yep.
Now, the piece de resistance, what did you think I was going to have at least?
I didn't think you were going to be able to do too much to the motor, to be honest, because it's pretty clean. But Denny hit me up and he said he said I'm going to be impressed.
Yeah.
You look at this.
Wait till you see the motor. All right, social media, I don't know if you're ready. Because we didn't think I could do much.
All right, let's see. Oh, man. I just won Best in Show. No, there's some good, nice cars out there. I'm in the show. Look at this. Oh, man. I like that wet look.
That is.
What is that?
Mostly dry. That's the water-based tire shine that I use through Croftgate USA.
Listen, there's parts of this that I've never seen shiny.
Yes, it's one of my secrets that now is no longer a secret.
Yeah.
Social media and YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Don't worry. Only 1,000 people will see this.
No, not that much. But it's dry to the touch. So this
It is.
will
Yeah,
stay.
it looks wet, but yeah. It's,
Well, if
wow.
there's a little bit left, it'll dry, and it just settles just like that.
Man.
Even the tires, they should remain pretty much that shiny.
Yeah.
Until until they just wear off.
Look at this interior, babe. You won't believe it. And you saw the top too, right?
There's too much
Right?
in right now. Like it's just.
Man, that's why they call you Ace Detail Pro, not amateur.
I love what I do. That's for sure. I enjoy getting to play with the Fox bodies.
Yeah, I figured you'd enjoy doing a Fox.
I saw the extra grin when we were dropping it off.
I know the cracks and the crevices of these cars too, so I know where the dirt gathers and where.
Yeah.
Should I bring it to like
Guys, all of this tire tread is gone. All right, guys, I love it. If you did an awesome job, man. High five, high five. If you're in the Charlotte area, you definitely need to hit Ian up, Ace Detail Pro. I'm gonna have all of his information down in the description below and on the screen right here. And you also have a Fox body, which we talked about.
I do.
And
I
that's
do.
1991 LXR, right?
Yes, sir. That's it.
Yep, LXR. Did we figure out what the R stands for?
R's
Rare
for
or race?
Ravishing.
Ravishing. It changes every time, guys. Let's
Rare, race, radical.
Yeah. Yeah, and thanks for the stance, by the way. He got me the springs, guys. I bought the iBox Pro kit from him.
And I made sure I turned the wheel, so when you were over there, we got a nice.
Yep, you did that perfect. Cool, very cool, man. Okay guys, wrapping up this video right now. I love what Ian did with the car. It looks probably the best since it was first painted, maybe even a little better, to be honest. Now it's lowered and it's got the wheels, and yeah, I'm digging the whole package. I'm loving this. But anyway, it is ready for Mustang Week. That's where I'm headed. That's probably the videos that you guys are gonna see coming up next. So anyway, if you did enjoy this video, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe, because I do upload 2 times a week, every Sunday and Wednesday, and we will see you next time on Gearhead 704.